Welcome back. Are you guys ready? Cause it's time for a POV drive. Let's get it. Oh, hello. Welcome back. Are you guys ready? It's time for a POV drive. All right, I gotta hurry up and do this because this camera is about to die. Sick. What is good, guys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. I'm trying to do this one fast because the camera's about to die and I charged it just enough because I only need the GoPro for this one. If you're new here, my name's Chris. We do MK7 GTI content. We do MK6 Jetta content. I did that backwards. We go fast, have a good time. We do mods. I am building this car here. And if that's something that interests you, go down there and hit that subscribe button because we're on that journey to 1,000 subscribers. I think that's a wrap. I love doing POV drives. That's my favorite kind of video. I think it's the funnest to watch as long as it's like edited well and it looks good. And I love ripping for you guys and that's sick. I'm hyped. Don't mind, I haven't shaved, looking a little bit homeless. Rocking it. I would give you a cold start, but it's hot as fuck and we just got back. So let's just hop right into it. Let's go. Sick, this helps a lot. Right there, and then I know what we're filming. Yo, let's go, that works well. All right, welcome to the cabin. As you know, my favorite kind of video is POV drives. Clear the prop. No scrape, no scrape. No scrape with the wide turn. In the weeds. Let's go. Look at that, bro. Look at that. It's beautiful. Really quickly, for those who don't know, this is my Stage 2 MK7 GTI tuned by EQT Stage 2. I have the boost turned down a little bit. It's peaking at like 27, runs 26 stable. We're not running E85 because I don't have that around me. We're running a 93 tune and clean, no burbles. I think that's it. All right, let's get back to it. I'm also running a callus downpipe, the CTS callus downpipe, as well as the MBRP catback exhaust. Incoming tunnel, baby! Take you guys through a little loop of the mountain roads out here. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hang on. Bro, you can hear this thing coming from like a mile away. It's so great. I just love roads like this though, because like, I don't know, you don't gotta hammer through here to have a good time, bro. This is like what makes you feel like a driver, you know what I'm saying? This is where you learn to love cars. Holy fuck, bro. There's definitely a tree that fell down there. Oh, I love this turn, bro. This is such a good turn. loose tire action. Whew. Ah, damn, bro. It's just like every time you drive like that, it's like an exercise. Like after I'm done, I'm like, ah. If you know, you know. If you don't, sorry, you're missing out on life, my guy. Crap. I was gonna say, I know there's a giant hole right there because I hit it real hard one time. My friends, Vermont at its finest. You good out there, guy? Neck broke. Just look at it, would you? Don't forget, if you guys are new here, like I said in the beginning, your boy is hungry. We're on the grind to get to 1,000 subs, bro. We are on the grind. So if you're new, go down there and hit that button real quick. Takes 2 seconds. Help your boy. Appreciate it. Ooh, don't scare the baby. That's mean. Those people back there are literally holding like a newborn baby. I was not about to fly through that. That's completely a dickhead thing to do. To your right, we have the Queechee Gorge. Voila! Great stuff, great stuff. We should start doing Chris from Kenya tours. A tour of Vermont. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but there's a really clean R32 right there. Mark IV, super sick. I don't know who it is. I've never seen it like out and about before. So if you're watching, say what's up, homie. All right, I finna let her eat. Warming her up. Spooling her up. You know what's hilarious? I was totally just tweaking. I was like, dude, I totally left my phone at home. It's literally right there. Dumbass. I hope I got that on video. That chick's neck was snapped. She was literally hanging out the truck window looking backwards. Let's go. Alright, here we go, ready? Let's get a good one. For the boys! Let's get past these bumps. Oh shit, she chirped third, bro. Let's go! My mom's boyfriend was just behind us in my mom's new Jeep. I was like, what the fuck? Remember when you were a kid and you used to buy new shoes and think you were fast? Good times. Little lights on them. And you're like, yo, I'm fast as fuck, boy. Oh, those are sick modified. What is the Lexus, like LS 400 or LX 400? People always slam the shit out of them, a little V8 in them. Let's go buy a Bev. This dude loves it. He's like, who the fuck is this kid? Oh, somebody wants the sauce guy. Oh, what's up, bro?
You making a video right now?
I am. In fact, I'm just doing a POV. I'm like ripping everywhere.
Fuck yeah.
Always filming, homie.
Just got the new whip.
I see that. I was like, I'm going to check it out. Yeah, you going Sunday?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we usually meet up Sandries and then just we want mob down. Whoa! Subi? Oh. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh, that was just crazy traction.
Holy fuck, bro. Holy fuck, dude. Yo, traction control is flashing the entire time. Oh, it's so good. Oh my god.
Second and third are shine.
That blow off though. Just, oh. It's like throwing you back so hard when you let off, it's like
40 rolling third at 3,000 RPM.
oh. Yes, sir. Well, that was sick. Shout out to Aiden for letting us go for a little rip. You the man. Yeah, he just tuned it. The video from a little while ago, he did downpipes and an exhaust. Oh, I forget who he said the tune was through, but he just did a tune, so he should be making like I think he said like 530 wheel and like 580 torque. It's fucking ridiculous. Oh my god, dude, what am I doing? I'm trying to put my camera down and take my mask inside. I'll BRB. And we back. That was sick. Dude, that thing rips. I mean, like, absolutely rips. Like, it pulls. It's just one of those, like, one of those cars, like, with twins, that it just pulls so smooth, so strong all the way through. Woo! All right, back to business. Hey, it's my Miata, homie. That thing's actually super clean. I don't know if they're 3-piece wheels, but they look like a chrome lip 3-piece wheel on a slam Miata. It looks so sick. Little duck bill on it. Tasty. Not today. What's up, Chris? What the? What are you doing? Chilling. What's up? I would like, I don't know. The sick part about the channel is like being out and about and just like seeing everybody everywhere. It's so sick. Damn, this turned out to be a good video, bro. Little POV rip. Got to ride an Aidans M4. Seeing all the homies. Don't forget, if you guys like the videos, go down there and hit that likes up, that likes up button. We're about to make that, whoa, torque steer. God damn, dude, this thing is so loud. Especially like when you go through buildings and shit, it just echoes off of everything. It sounds so sick. Braking next. I'm like trying to be quiet. What the fuck is going on here? What the hell? spool up is so good, bro. Alrighty, bros, I'm probably gonna call this here. It's getting dark. It's getting late. That's one hell of a video. Let's go. Oh, I just stomped in a puddle. I can't see because of the light. Alrighty, bros, we're back. I hope you enjoyed this video. That was fun. I love doing POV rips. They're my favorite kind of video to do. It's the most fun. We run into all the homies. We get to rip, race, whatever. Shout out to Aiden. Thank you for letting me rip in the M4, my guy. She is sick. All right, updates. Next, what is today? 2 days from now, we're going to Cars and Coffee on Sunday. If I see you, say what's good. I love seeing the homies at the show. It's so sick. And other than that, that'll be the next video. That'll be up Sunday or Monday. I'm not sure. But you guys keep it real. Just keep driving. Have a good time. I hope you enjoyed.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.